What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a cleaning video of my kitchen, so join me and my kids while they help me a little bit here and there while I clean my kitchen. This little one loves to help me unload the dishwasher, so whenever he picks up a utensil or whatever it is, I usually tell him like what it is, spoon, bowl, fork, whatever, and he really likes it. An easy way to clean your microwave from all the splatter and stuff like mine is to put a cup of water or water and vinegar or water and lemon in there and warm it up for a couple of minutes so that it creates steam, so that when you wipe down it's super easy, it comes off like instantly. Me and my family have been sick for the past couple weeks, so I decided to use the disinfecting wipes on everything, like the knobs, all the doors, everything I wipe down, just to kill the germs. Hopefully we can get better. He also loves the dustpan and broom and the vacuum, actually. Always taking the vacuum out. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, bye.